Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add someone on Google Chat on your phone. So here, I've already opened the Gmail apps on my phone. And if you want to use the Google Chat, you can just open this Gmail apps. So here, just click on the chat tab here at the bottom, the one in the middle, and to easily add someone you can just start conversation with them. So just click on this plus icon, this plus message icon, and then just find the account. For example, we could just find, okay, I'm going to add this person. Just click on the account. Okay, so now it has been added, the person. Just click on done after that, and here you can just easily send a message to them. Okay, just click on send, and that's it. That's how you can add someone on Google Chat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the text. Bye.